are going to buy a 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom flat and wondering how to make your flat look like your dream house, and confused about the procedures like planning, designing, material purchase? Here is the answer for all your questions. Sapna Buildcon. We provide you proper guidance as a consultant and bring your budget-friendly design for you to choose from. We provide budget-friendly packages in your range. We also provide turnkey projects in your city. So, what to wait for? Contact Sapna Buildcon. Without any confusion, register your project with us in the best price and best quality. We also provide proper design with right material according to your budget and design. Sapna Buildcon. Thank you.